Hey, welcome back to our channel, Adventure Therapy. I actually have a day off today, so we are going to head down to the Fredricktown district of the Mark Twain National Forest. That's an area that we haven't been to before, so we're going to go down and check it out, see what it has to offer. So come along with us. Let's go explore. So driving down here to explore some of the Mark Twain National Forest, we find some little gems. We just came across this visitor center and museum for the Battle of Pilot Knob in the Civil War. I wish I had time to explore this a little more. I believe that over there is the earthen fort that the Union forces used. So unfortunately I don't have time to explore the area too much. We've got other places to go. This is what you can get when you follow a trail into the Mark Twain National Forest. This trail just dead ends up here, but I took a chance to see where it leads. We've got this cool rock outcropping or kind of bluff-like situation going on here. Just a really neat spot. I think we'll probably stop and have lunch here. We were looking forward to checking out the Crane Lake Recreation Area, but were disappointed to find the vehicle trails going around the lake were gated and locked. Another place we wanted to see was the Marble Creek Campground. It was a nice basic campground, which we failed to get pictures of when driving through. After we left the Marble Creek campground, we soon found ourselves exploring another trail. This trail had some pretty rutted out sections, and I even found myself getting out of the truck a couple times just to check and see what the best line would be to get across the ruts. Near the end of our day, as we were headed back out to the paved road, a small sharp rock managed to puncture my tire. Luckily, I caught it quickly, and I had a tire repair kit with me.
The joy of off-roading, you get flat tires.
I was able to get the tire plugged and aired back up without too much of a problem. However, this did highlight my desire to get a good onboard air compressor, and I'll probably be investing in a better tire repair kit also.
Hopefully we get a better air compressor real soon.